Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about basics of Fiori Launchpad. First of all, we'll see how to log into Fiori. So if you want to log into Fiori, we can log in with two methods. Suppose you want to log in from your GUI screen, then you need to execute this transaction code /UI2/FLP. So now I am copying this transaction code. Okay, this is my GUI screen. Here enter that transaction code /UI2/FLP, press enter. Then system will navigate to default browser, and on that default browser you need to enter that user ID and password to log in into Fiori. But what I will do, instead of using this Internet Explorer, I will use Chrome to log into Fiori. As compared to Internet Explorer, Fiori works faster on Google Chrome. That's why I am using Google Chrome browser. Here I am just pasting that link, so it will show Fiori login screen. So here you need to enter user ID and password to log in into Fiori. So this is one method. Second method is, if you have a link available, then what you can do, you can copy that link and directly you can log in into Fiori with this link. So I am just pasting this link here, pressing enter button. So see, same screen, system shows with the transaction code as well as with the URL. So here I am entering user ID and password. So this is how we can log into Fiori. So this is our home page. We can call this page as a Launchpad screen. On the left upper corner it will show SAP logo. Then this button, it shows currently where we are. Then if you click on this 3 horizontal rows, then it will show different groups or different catalogs. So here it shows this my home. This is a tab, or we can call this tab as a group or business group. So under this group, the purpose of group is we group number of applications together under a group. So right now no application is linked to this my home tab or my home group. That's why it is not showing anything. On the right side we have a search button available, then notification and profile, user profile. With this search option we can search your required application. Suppose I want to search application for purchase order creation, so I can search create purchase order. So here it shows create purchase order. Just click on this. So with this you can access create purchase order, or with this you can access create purchase order application. So this facility is not available in GUI. If you want to create purchase order, then you need to remember transaction code like MA21N, but here you don't need to remember any transaction code. If you want to search any application, then you need to just type the relevant text. So with that relevant text, system will show us the different application. Then we'll go to this user profile section. Under this user profile section, here it will show your user ID. Then under this recent activities, whatever the recent activity you perform, those activities system will show here. Under this frequently used, whatever the application you use frequently, those application list system will display here. Then next is app finder. Suppose if you want to search any application, suppose here I want to search application related to purchase. So here I will type purchase and I will click on purchase button. So related to purchase, whatever the applications names are present, system will show all those applications on the same screen. Here I want to search create purchase order, so here I will type create purchase order. So from here also you can search your application. Create purchase, I think spelling mistake is there. Create, I'm just typing create purchase. So let's see here. Okay, with create purchase it shows these three applications. I want to access this application, so I can directly click on here. This box actually called as a tile or app, but what my requirement is, I want to see this application on my home screen. Okay, then what I can do is I can click on this add tile icon or add tile button. So if you click on this add tile button, system will ask you under which tab or under which group you want to link or group application this tile. So here I want to group this tile under my home tab. So here I am selecting my home tab and clicking on OK button. And if you go back to home page, then it will show that relevant tile under your selected tab. So under this my home tab or my home group, this create purchase order application is appearing. Similarly, suppose if you want to modify this page as per your role, okay, then you can modify. This facet is available in Fiori only, but in GUI, okay, this facet is not available for every department users. SAP will display same screen, and this screen is non modifiable. Okay, we cannot modify or we cannot do any changes on this screen. But in case of Fiori, this is a role specific. It means, okay, user can modify this screen as per their requirement. So if you go to edit current page, so under this edit current page, here you can create different tab or different group. So right now here that tab creation or group creation option is not available. That's why I am not able to create. But one thing I can do, under this my home, I want to create section, and section wise I want to group different application. So what I will do, I will create one section for purchase, and under this purchase section I will add purchase related applications. So here I am searching with purchase text. So these are the applications which are related to purchase department. So here I am selecting these three applications. Okay, going back. So see, under this purchase section, whichever the applications I selected, those are available and those are appearing. I want to create one more section. Suppose I want to create another section for inventory transactions or warehouse transaction. So here I will provide section title as a warehouse, and under this warehouse title I want to add certain transactions which generally we perform under in warehouse department. Suppose I want to search with goods. Okay, so related to group, okay, related to goods. So these are the applications are available. So I will select post goods receipt for inbound delivery, post goods receipt for purchase document, then manage outbound delivery and pick outbound delivery. So these four applications I want to see on my home screen. So I have selected these four applications. I am just clicking on back button. So under this warehouse, okay, the required applications are available. Now I am clicking on close button. If you go back to your home screen, here system will show those selected applications under your required section. So this is how you can modify your home screen, but the same thing is not possible in your GUI. That's why what we are saying, okay, this GUI interface, it is not a role specific, but in case of Fiori, this home screen or this user interface is a role specific. So this is about edit current page or edit home page. Then we'll go to settings. So under settings, okay, we have options available such as appearance. So with this appearance section, you can select your required theme. So suppose I want to display my screen with this theme, so I can select this theme, and okay, from okay, and okay, here onwards your screen will be available with this theme. But I don't want to change the theme. Then I am going back to settings. under languages and regions, okay, here you can set your default language, date format, time zone, and decimal format inputs. Then under default values, suppose you are from purchase department or sales department or from production department, okay, so what you can do, whichever the default values you require for relevant applications, those default values you can maintain, okay, under that required field. Suppose I am from purchase department, and whenever I will create purchase equation or purchase order, I want to default material group as a 001, or I want to default plant as a ABCD, or I want to default purchase organization as a 0001 and purchase group as a 001. So I can maintain those default value under this matrix management section. Okay, so this is about settings. Okay, then we'll see what is the purpose of this about. Suppose now I'm going to one application, manage outbound deliveries. The name of this application is manage outbound deliveries, but I want to know, okay, what is the app ID, okay, what is the app ID of this screen, or what is the app ID of this application. So how I can identify? For this you have to go to this profile section and click on about button. So here it will show app ID of this style. So app ID of the style is F0867A. Similarly, if you go back and if you open any other application, suppose this purchase requisition items by account assignment. Okay, and if you go to profile section and click on about, then here it will show app ID for this F2422. Okay, and framework is UI5. It's a Fiori UI5 framework of this application. But same thing, if you check about create purchase order advanced, okay, again go to profile section and click on about. So here it will show GUI frame. It means it is a HTML version of GUI transaction. Similar screen you will get on GUI. Okay, if you enter MA21N, okay, same screen, okay, it will show on GUI. The difference is here it's a HTML version or web version of this MA21N transaction. So this is about basics of Fiori Launchpad. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching and keep learning. Bye bye.